If you want to set up WordPress on Bluehost, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full setup step by step so you can get your website online quickly and confidently. We'll go from logging in to installing WordPress to opening your WordPress dashboard through Bluehost so you can start building your site right away. If this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit like and subscribe for more simple website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log in to your Bluehost account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Websites option on the left-hand side. This is where Bluehost manages your website projects, so click Websites to open that section. After that, you'll see an Add Website button. Go ahead and click Add Website to begin the setup process. Now Bluehost will ask you what kind of website you want to create. Here, select WordPress. This tells Bluehost that you want to install WordPress as your website platform. Once you choose WordPress, Bluehost will begin installing it automatically. At this point, all you need to do is wait for the installation to finish. Depending on your account and setup, this may take a moment, so give it a little time to complete. After the installation is done, Bluehost may show you two different paths. The first option is the AI Site Creator, which helps you create a brand new website with AI guidance. The second option is Import an existing WordPress site, which is useful if you already have a WordPress website and want to move it over to Bluehost. Choose the option that matches your goal. If you're starting fresh, the AI Site Creator is a great way to get moving quickly. If you're migrating an existing site, choose the Import option and follow the prompts carefully. Once your site is created, Bluehost makes it easy to open WordPress directly from your hosting account. To do that, go back to the Bluehost dashboard and click Websites again on the left panel. Then look for your specific site in the list. For that site, you should see an Edit Site button. Click that button and Bluehost will take you straight into the WordPress admin dashboard. This is the part where you can start customizing your website. From the WordPress dashboard, you can change your theme, install plugins, create pages, write blog posts, and set up your menus. If you're a beginner, this dashboard is where most of your website building work will happen, so it's important to know how to get back here anytime through Bluehost. A quick tip: if you ever lose track of where your site is, just return to Bluehost, open Websites, and find the Edit Site button again. That's the fastest way to jump back into WordPress without trying to remember a separate login link. And that's it, you've now learned how to set up WordPress on Bluehost and open the WordPress admin area from your hosting account. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and now you're ready to start building your website. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.